Alice H. Parker, inventor of the early central heating furnace. A full biography. Early life and education. An overview of Alice H. Parker's background and formative years in the late 19th and early 20th century America. Origin and formative years. Alice H. Parker was born in 1895 in Morrisontown, New Jersey. She pursued her education at Howard University Academy, where she earned a certificate in honors in 1910. A remarkable achievement for an African American woman of that era. Census records indicate she worked as a cook and lived with her husband, who was employed as a butler. Despite her groundbreaking contributions to engineering, very few personal records of her life survive, and many image, images historically attributed to her have since been found to be misattribute. Her early life reflects both the challenge and the determination of a trailblazer who would go on to change how the world heats its homes. The revolutionary heat furnace patent. Alice H. Parker filed her groundbreaking patent in 1918, and it was officially granted as U.S. Patent Number 1,1325905 on December 23rd, 1919. Her invention described a natural gas-powered central heating furnace featuring multiple independently controlled burners, a concept far ahead of its time. The design allowed a single furnace to distribute heat throughout an entire building via a network of air ducts connected to individual rooms. Parker's patent was the first to propose the principle of zone heating, the ability to control the temperature in individual rooms independently. This visionary concept anticipated the modern HVAC systems we rely on today, including thermostats, forced air systems, and zone control technology. Her innovation offered a safer, cleaner alternative to the wood and coal fireplaces common in the early 1900s. In the early 1900s, most homes relied on wood and coal fireplace for warmth. These methods were inefficient, requiring constant fuel and posed serious fire hazards. Heat was uneven, dirty, and difficult to control room by room. That's heating before Parker. Fire to furnace. Alice H. Parker's 1919 gas-powered central heating furnace changed everything. Her design offered cleaner, safer, and more efficient heating with individual burners for each room, anticipating modern zone-controlled HVAC systems. Key features of Parker's furnace designs. Tech Technical innovations that changed home heating forever. Zone heating pioneer. Parker's 1919 patent introduced multiple independently controlled gas burners, allowing each room to receive its heat supply. A built-in heat exchanger transferred warmth efficiently through the home. Individual air ducts enabled zone heating, a concept that anticipated modern HVAC thermostats and forced air systems by decades. Her design remains a fundamental reference in heating engineering. Legacy and recognition, a lasting impact on heating innovation. Alice H. Parker's 1919 patent laid the groundwork of modern HVAC systems. Her concept of zone heating, directly warmed to individual rooms through separate ducts and controlled burners, directing influenced the development of central heating technology throughout the 1930s and beyond. But proposing natural gas as a fuel source, Parker helped reduce the nation's reliance on wood and coal, making homes safer, cleaner, and more efficient for decades to come, honoring a pioneer in engineering. In 2019, Parker was honored by the National Society of Black Physicians for her groundbreaking contributions to science and engineering. The New Jersey Chamber of Commerce also established the Alice H. Parker Women Leaders in Innovation Awards, celebrating women who followed in her trailblazing footsteps. Her legacy endures as a symbol of ingenuity and determination in the face of historical barriers. A legacy of innovation and anticipation. Thank you. Alice H. Parker's groundbreaking 1919 patent transformed how the world thinks b- about home heating. Through much of her personal history remains uncertain, including her passing, believed to be around 1920. Her contribution to engineering endures. She dared to imagine a safer, smarter, and more efficient future, and the world is warmer for it. Let us honor her legacy as a true trailblazer in in invention. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media on TikTok and Instagram.